Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 11th, 2022. We are here to talk about Loopring and trying to figure out has this particular market bottom, because if it has, then we need to get it back in position and try to ride the market higher in Loopring. So welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create these price predictions to ensure that we are in position to win. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. If you want to become proficient on your own, these are all learning opportunities on the content that I create here to give you all the ability to see. I want you all to see how this is done, how I am able to predict these prices so that we can be consistently profitable. So hit that bell notification if you guys want to be updated or at least notified whenever I come through with my content. All right. Now, real quick, my last video in Loopring. Yeah, you guys can kind of see what occurred. It wasn't good. I was looking for the market in Loopring to go higher on my video on August the 8th. And here it is, September the 11th, and the market went down instead. So it's been about a month, and the market currently is trending all the way down to where I have my support area. Like, I was going to expect the price in Loopring to go higher as long as price has sustained itself, not falling below 35 cents, maybe around 34 cents, give or take. And that has been the case. But we are so far down from where price was on August the 8th that we need to get rid of this and consider this a loss prediction. It didn't go right, and it happens. The question is, did you know when to jump the ship before the ship sank? What day told us that the probability of us looking for Loopring to go up is dwindling? It's going away. What day did that occur? I think you all may be able to see it. So outside of this going incorrectly, this is the first day that told us that bullishness that we anticipated on August the 8th, it's not there anymore. It started on this day, August the 14th, to where the market in Loopring tried to go higher, but it didn't stay up there. It came all the way down. And following that day, you guys can see here, the 15th, then the 16th, then the 17th, then the 18th. All of these days, the market is telling you, screaming at you, hey, get out the market. It's telling you that. All of those days that we see those red bars is telling us get out the market. The market is not going to go up. But so many people, they enjoy staying and losing position because they think the next day is going to be different, or the day after that is going to be different. That is not the case. The market is screaming at us, say, hey, get out the way. The market is going to go lower. This is how you're able to tell when you need to let it go so that you can minimize the losses. So many people try to stay in it. No, you got to let it go. Now, let's get right back into our prediction. Now, first of all, I am going to lower this horizontal line up here around 64 cents. I mean, the market in Loopring is around 36, 37, and we can see where the market got rejected the last time, which is right here. Okay, so we understand that this particular area in the market in Loopring is the new resistance area. Okay, and this goes all the way back to like 2021. It may even go back farther. That this area has been very crucial to knowing how the market's going to trade in Loopring. So back in 2021, the beginning of the year, market held this particular level as support. We fell through it back in what I would say mid 2021. Market came back up, fell again. So we really didn't see the price in Loopring trade above this 50-cent price until October. That's when the market saw this monumental movement higher. And now we came back down and we're trading below this area again. So that 50-cent area is going to be very crucial for us to become massively bullish once price exceeds that level to the upside, right? So once we see the market in Loopring do this, then we are on a different trajectory in terms of where price is going to go. Okay, so we're going to move this here. This is going to be our resistance area. I can also see 45 cents too as a resistance area as well. Now check this out though. This trend in Loopring is still in place, right? We started this slight, I mean, this is a very, it's not even steep. It's not even a steep slope. back in 2020 of November, the market in Loopring has allowed price to stay above this trend line. Albeit it's not a steep one, it's pretty minor, but we're still seeing price successfully trade above this line. So we're going to continue to keep our eyes open on the market in Loopring from that perspective. Okay, taking a look at the market in Loopring on the weekly chart, and currently what we have right now is what I term a probable precursor of strength, simply meaning that we need the market on the following weekly price bar to close higher than this one. Okay, so when we combine these weekly price bars, right, this one is weakness, but on this weekly price bar, August the 29th, the market closed higher than the previous week. So that tells us that buyers came into the market in Loopring around 34 cents. And even on this current weekly price bar, even though we're closing lower than prior week, we still saw some selling come into the market this week, but the buyers are able to bring the market to where we started out trading this week. So the buyers are still here. Yeah, this is what they're telling us, is what they're showing us, that the buyers are still here in the market in Loopring, which is fantastic. It is something that we want to see because it tells us where the market is trying to go. 2 weekly chart. Here it is. We got 8 hours and 24 minutes left. And again, outside of what occurred the prior 2 weeks, we should definitely be seeing the market in Loopring go down, but instead the market is going higher. All right, pretty good to see that too. The 3 weekly chart, you guys can see it again. We're not really seeing a lot go on in the cryptocurrency space. We're not. A lot of cryptocurrencies are trending and traded within a range in a trading channel, which gives us ability to see where the market's trying to go next. Okay, 5-day chart. Again, market goes down. The next 5-day price bar goes up, goes down, goes up. What is going on? Looking at this on the 3-day chart, I do see bullishness here on the chart. So I am going to play some strength into the market in Loopring. I like it on the 3-day chart. The 2-day chart giving us the same type of idea, but seeing how we are in a massive downtrend into the cryptocurrency space, we are not going to be massively bullish. We're going to simply look for the market in Loopring, first of all, to come up to this particular level around 39 cents. Ultimately, it may top out around 40. So I might just put a nice round number of 40 cents as my first price target. And then the next price target is going to be slightly below 45. So I'll do like 44 cents. Okay, so we got 40 cents and 44 cents as those price targets in Loopring. So for the market to go to 40 cents, you guys can see that's around almost 9% profitability in that run up. If we're able to see the market run up to 44 cents, that's around 19.65%. Now, we want to allow price to stay above our ascending line. So just like the last video or my last price prediction, if we see the market in Loopring do this, we know we need to cut it because the market is screaming at us again, just like it did previously, that we need to let this play go. But if we see this, how the market is just continuing to trade above the line, we understand that the bullishness and the emphasis of higher prices is still on the table. Okay, so that is it. I am done. This is my latest price prediction as to where I suspect price is going to go. Now it's your turn. You guys can go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target in the market for Loopring, and try to figure out where in the world we're going to go. All right, so let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.